All right, y'all, for today's unboxing, we ain't talking about no resale.
Nope.
We ain't doing none of that stuff. I just want to open up the sneaker with you guys because this is a sneaker that is fire, bro. Listen, I've opened up a bunch of shoes, and sometimes when it comes to details and just the raw material on a sneaker, they're just worth being praised sometimes. So that's what we're gonna do today. Today we're gonna unbox and talk about the Nike Kobe AF1 Protro in the soft yellow colorway. Bruh, these things are perfection.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. If this is your first time tapping in, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. You already see this thumbnail, so you know what we're going to be talking about, and I am super excited about this sneaker. Sometimes, especially when we start creating content, you kind of get stuck in this mode where it's just like, I got to tell you guys the resale. I got to tell you guys this. You need to know this. You need to know stock numbers. Today, I can actually unbox a sneaker for the first time in a long time, and I could just be like, you know what? I just want y'all to see my excitement, and I just want to go over the details and recognize the greatness of a sneaker, and that's what we're going to do today. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. We did have a live stream, and I've been catching nothing but L on the sneakers app, but they are still here nonetheless. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box. So we have the white Kobe box right here. We have the Kobe signature in gold, as you guys can see right here. Reptilian skin all over the box. Nike branding in gold on the box. Mamba logo as well. We're going to go around to the size tag. And as always, if you need to legit check your pair, pause the video. Please legit check your pairs. But this is a size 11.5. I did go true to size on these. Even though they have the drop insole, I wasn't sure about sizing. And I'm still not sure because I haven't tried these things on. But I will be doing a separate video when it comes to the sizing. So as we go ahead and we take this lid off of the box, as you guys can see right here, there is nothing up on the bottom of that lid. And then we do have the Mamba paper, the Mamba logo paper with reptilian skin. And then as we peel that paper back and we see the shoes right here, man, these things are absolutely beautiful. And as you guys can see right here, before I even take them out of the box, that soft yellow looks different on everything I've done. I did a short, I showed a picture of them outside and stuff like that. The color is a little bit different based on your lighting, but I think the material and the way that they smell, just everything about these shoes just screams premium, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to take these shoes out of the box and, bruh, man, yes. The Nike Air Force 1 Kobe soft yellow joints, the Protros. I am not a big fan of Air Force Ones, but these things right here are different, bro. I'm looking on the inside, don't see anything. Oh, yep, quality control sticker is going to be right there on the inside of the box. A little bit of Nike font on the bottom, as you guys can see, and that is it for the box. So as we take a look at the actual sneaker, man, really quick, I'll just show you guys a quick 360 of them. You guys already know what they look like, but like I said, this is just a raw first look. My first thoughts and opinions as I look at these things is bruh, they're clean. So we have a lot to get into, so let's go ahead and get right up into it. Let's start with the hang tag that comes on here. It's like a little pamphlet. As you guys can see, it has a gold Mamba logo on it. And then as we open it up, it does have the Protro history and all that good stuff about the insole, a little bit of technology, tech spec info right there. You can pause the video if you need to read that, if it's picking it up. What does it say on the inside? It says, it's all about improving on what's been and making it better for what's to come. Kobe Bryant. So a good quote on there, super clean. And then we have, let's go ahead and talk about these shoelaces. So I was kind of like hit or miss when it comes to these shoelaces, but I feel like that these look good on them. I actually like them. I like the thick shoelaces, and you almost cannot wear this sneaker without keeping those in there because of the nostalgic and the reason and the purpose behind it. You know what I'm saying? So you kind of got to have that. And as I stated before, a lot of details on these things, but that Kobe signature replacing the Air Force 1, the air on the side of it right there is super clean. On the back end of both sneakers, you do have the 8 right there. No 24 on here, all 8 ball, because these shoes are paying homage to when he broke his hand when he wore the number 8. So it's not going to be anything 24 branding on these sneakers, and I respect that. And going across the left sneaker, it's the exact same thing. On the back end, you got that Kobe signature right there. As you guys can see, as I bring them in closer, the leather quality is good, man. In the yellow, it's almost like it's spray painted on. You know what I'm saying? You can see hints of that purple behind it. As you guys can see the piping on the 8 ball, you can kind of see hints of that purple behind that yellow, which I like that. It almost gives the impression that you think that this shoe is going to kind of like, it's going to be like a scratch and peel. You know what I'm saying? Like it's going to, it's going to rub off, but that's not the case. Inside of the shoe right here, the sock liner is yellow, and we will get to the insoles here in a second. I'm going to take those out. On the toe box leather, as you guys can see, like I said, man, look at that. Not bad at all. Decent leather, bruh. On the bottom of the sneaker, we do have the Nike Air, the traditional Air Force One bottom traction. But, of course, if you don't know, the traction pods and stuff like that are the Mamba logo, as you guys can see right here. And then we do have his championship ears along with reptilian skin going around the traction on the pods on the bottom. Super clean detail. On the tongue of these things right here, on the tongues of these things here, it does have a Mamba logo with Air Force One written there, and it's the same thing on the other one. Behind the sneaker is nothing going on. The shoe trees on the inside of them is going to be just your typical paper shoe trees, nothing more. The shoelace is going to come on the inside of the shoes. It's actually 2 extra pair of laces on these things. We have the yellow, soft yellow colorway right here. And then on this one, we do have the light purple fuchsia color right here. So as we get to these insoles, which is the complete, totally different opposite of what we normally see on an Air Force One, we do have the drop insole that's going to be in both of these things. And this is that technology that they talk about. And this is where I was like, oh, the sizing might be a little bit different. So as you guys can see right here, we do have the insoles. And they do pay homage to that iconic picture of Kobe in the gym in those pajama pants, actually taking shots with his offhand because his shooting hand was broken at the time, or fractured, whatever you want to call it. But that is the picture on the bottom of the insole right there. You see the pajama pants. Those are why the laces look the way it is. This is the whole concept. This is the other side of the picture with the goal. So this is him standing at the goal, getting ready to take the shot, that iconic picture. But it does have that React insole. So if you guys don't know anything about the React, it is super thick. The cushioning support system is really good on the React, as you guys can see on the bottom right here. So this is going to be the foam React technology that's going to be in this Air Force One, which is completely different than what we're used to seeing. As you guys can see on the back end, it does have the Mamba logo branded in on the React insole. And then on the front end, you do have the Nike Air swoosh as well. But that is pretty much it for these things, man. All in all, in my opinion, these shoes are super clean. The leather quality is good. I'm glad I was able to get these things. I feel like that they will continue to go up in price. But like I said, we ain't here to talk about that. We just here to talk about how great this sneaker is. And like I said before, not a huge Air Force One lover by any means. For some reason, I used to wear Air Force Ones a lot, and then after a while, I kind of got tired of them and just don't want to mess with them anymore. But this was a pair that I felt like, if I'm a Kobe fan, or if you are somebody that rocks with Kobe heavy, based on everything that they were doing on this sneaker, you had to have it into your collection, man. But y'all comment down below and let me know your thoughts and opinions. What do y'all think about the Air Force One soft yellow Kobe Protro, man? Is this something that you guys mess with? What is your favorite feature about these things? I would love to hear you sign off in the comment section. But that's about it, y'all. It is, like I said, it's not often that I get just super excited about a release that I pick up, because most of the time I'm reviewing it just to tell you guys what's hitting about the sneaker. You feel what I'm saying? But this time, this one was a little bit different. This one is a dope pickup, man. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got facts, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.